Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jacky YBT, tag away, tag everything, and today I'm gonna unbox this bad boy, the Pineng PN-981. This is one of their latest product. It's very slim, very small and light. This is their main feature, you know, the brand new design, and show the percentage in numbers. Let's talk about the spec. So the spec, if you want to look at it, you can pause it. So this is the measurement: length, width, height in millimeter, 188 gram. That's pretty light for a 10,000 milliamp power bank. Both dual USB output. Both are high, like fast charging type. You know, 2.1A is fast enough, although it's not like 3s and above, but get the job done. 5,000 hours standby time, and rated output is 6,300 milliamp because of the compression. So it's not really 10,000 but 6,300. So let's take a look what's inside the box. This one is their way to test whether the product that you bought is genuine or fake. You just scratch off with your coins and then you scan the QR code, type the serial code, and you check it out this one is real or not. Yeah, most of the Chinese tech company, they will use this technology. I think I open down below, a better choice. I don't want to damage the box itself. Okay. Why they like to use this kind of packaging? Very hard. You know, you want to get out of this, very hard. Just like the Boya one. Okay, finally. Alright. Oh, so this is the product itself. To be fair, their packaging is shrinking already. Last time it used to be a very huge one. So now let's take a look what's inside the box. Normal micro USB cable, yeah, nothing new. And we have small power bank operation guide. You know, something that you need to take note. Yeah. So nothing special for that. Thanks to Mark for giving me this. He gave me this as a birthday gift. So thank you for that. I really need one power bank because I lost mine, the PN-981, also the Pineng, same brand. That one is really much larger than this one. That one is also very slim. This one is really small, you know, compared to my previous PN-951. It's very light. The design, you got like a fake carbon fiber kind of texture, and it's all made from plastic, but it's rigid, you know, very solid. And now I'm gonna charge this. This is my Mi Band 2. Just to see still got juice or not. Just left. So I managed to charge. Yeah, you can see it's charging right now. The time is a bit off because I didn't charge this Mi Band 2 for quite a while already, like a few weeks already. So as you can see, show red light instead of the normal white light. Yeah, I prefer red light because it's not that bright. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. 25, 50, 75 and 100%. So far it's fully charged, this power bank. It will show when you charge something. Normally it won't show. One thing I forgot to mention is here there's a power button at the side. So if you want to use it, you press the power button and it will activate. So instead of that shaking motion, which I hate. Why I hate the shaking motion to activate your power bank is because sometimes if you put your power bank inside the bag, you move around a bit, it will activate by itself while you are not charging anything. I will do a review after a few weeks later to talk about how I feel about this product. So this is the unboxing and hands-on video. Thanks for watching, and I hope that this video will help you. Remember to subscribe, to like, to comment down in the comment section below, and share it to your friends and family. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.